Nani Farm devlog. ProBuilder played an important role in developing the game. It allowed me to create and test parts of the environment directly inside Unity. In this part, we will design a section of the game environment using ProBuilder. First, let's install the ProBuilder package from Window Package Manager. From the ProBuilder toolbar, select the Cube tool and draw a cube in the scene. Next, select Face Mode and move the faces to shape the object. You can also select an edge, right-click, and choose Insert Edge Loop. Another useful option is selecting a face, right-clicking, and choosing Extrude Face. You can also extrude a face quickly by pressing Ctrl+E. Now let's run the game to test the result. Next, we create a material and apply it to the faces. In Nani Farm, I also used ProBuilder to create collider objects. These colliders prevent the player from falling off the map. This may not be the best method, but since the game surface is flat, it works well for this project. Also, their mesh renderers are disabled, so the draw call and batching remain efficient. For the corners, I used cylinders so the player can move smoothly without getting stuck. In Face mode, first, select a face, right-click, and you will see the selection options. Use Bevel edges to smooth out and round the sharp edges of your model. Triangulate faces splits your polygons into triangles. Subdivide faces cuts your selected face into smaller parts. Merge faces combines two or more selected faces into a single flat face. If your face is invisible or facing the wrong way, use Flip Face Normals to fix it. Detach faces separates the selected face from the mesh to make it a new object. Use Delete faces to easily remove the selected parts. Set Pivot to Selection moves the object's pivot point right to where your selected face is. And finally, Extrude faces pulls the face out to create new 3D geometry. In Edge mode, first, select an edge, right-click, and you will see the selection options. Use Bevel Edges. Connect Edges links your selected edges together by creating a new line between them. Insert Edge Loop cuts a clean, continuous loop around your model. Subdivide edges. In Vertex mode, select a vertex. Collapse Vertices merges all selected vertices into a single point at their center. Connect Vertices draws a new edge to connect your selected vertices. Split Vertices disconnects shared vertices so you can pull the connected faces apart. If you are missing a face, just select the vertices around the empty space and use Fill Hole to recreate it. In Object mode, right-click on your mesh to open this menu. Triangulate splits all the faces of your object into triangles. Center Pivot moves the pivot point of your object right back to its geometric center. Subdivide Object divides every face of your model. Flip Normals turns your faces inside out. For example, in Nani Farm, we use this to turn a simple 3D box into an indoor room. ProBuilder lets you generate 3D shapes instantly inside Unity. Create Sphere. You can input exact numbers in the settings to get the perfect spherical shape. Create Plane. Create Cylinder. By increasing the side count, your cylinder will look much smoother and get more detail. Create Cone. Create Prism. Create Stairs. This one is super useful. We actually used it in Nani Farm to make building stairs inside the game so much easier. Create Torus. Create Pipe. Create Arch is perfect for designing curved stone pathways and historic doorways. Create door. Create Sprite. To extrude its edges, simply hold Shift and drag the edge out.